I almost dismissed Jogg AI after the first 10 minutes. Not because it was bad, because I thought it was just another AI video generator, and honestly, we've seen dozens of those already. Upload a product, generate an ad, done. That's what I expected. But after using it for a few days, I realized I was looking at it the wrong way. Jogg AI isn't really trying to replace your video editor, it's trying to replace the slow part of marketing. The first thing I tested was a product page. I pasted the URL, and within a short time, Jogg AI turned it into a promotional video with AI generated visuals, scripts, and voiceovers. That immediately caught my attention, because creating that manually would normally take hours. Then I tried another product, different niche, different audience. The results weren't identical, but one thing stayed consistent: speed. That's where Jogg AI really shines. If you're constantly launching products, testing ads, or creating social media content, speed matters more than perfection. But here's what nobody tells you. The AI doesn't know your customers, it doesn't understand your brand story, and it definitely doesn't know what emotional angle converts best. You still need to edit the message. You still need to change the hook. You still need to think like a marketer. That's the biggest mistake I see people making. They expect AI to replace strategy. It can't. It simply helps you execute faster. After using Jogg AI, I think I finally understand who this tool is built for. Freelancers running client campaigns, agency owners creating multiple ads every week, Shopify sellers, startup founders, small business owners who don't have time to make videos from scratch. For those people, the time savings are real. So, is Jogg AI the best AI tool for marketers? I don't think there's a single best tool, but if your biggest challenge is creating marketing videos quickly without hiring a production team, Jogg AI deserves a serious look. Just don't buy it expecting one-click viral ads. Buy it because it helps you test more ideas, launch campaigns faster, and spend less time editing. And honestly, that's what marketing is becoming in the AI era. The businesses that test the fastest usually learn the fastest. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.